So I worked with other 32 students in the student council. I was elected as the first female president. Initially people expected much. They had a high expectation, of course. But then I am grateful that I have, amazing club leaders with me. I have my peers who actually work so hard to make sure the cohort got the best experience out of the clubs. Before my MBA, I spoke only Bahasa Indonesia for most of my life, and I had this doubts about language barrier, but then I found it was okay because my friends are very collaborative. They're not competitive. They support each other. They would remind me, hey, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to have your own opinions because the MBA program is a very safe space for you to learn.